You are my phone. Where my phone? My phone, my daughter. My phone, my daughter. You bring back. Hello. Daughter, my friend. Where's the phone? My phone, my daughter. Hello. You bring back the phone.
How will he move? How is move?
The phone, my daughter. You bring back.
How he will move now? Move.
Where's the phone? You talking. You talking.
He's not moving.
Where's my phone?
I don't. Why are you moving? Not moving.
Hello. Where the phone? Cellphone, my daughter. Cellphone.
I'm crying.
Cellphone, my daughter. You give. You give the cellphone, my daughter. Where's the phone, my daughter? You give.
He's angry.
Please, you bring back. You bring back the phone, my daughter. Why you not talking?